Hey everyone, this is the overview video for day 4. Hope you are all adjusting to the online learning okay. If not, please just make sure to continue to communicate with me, email me, or send me a Schoology message. I'm trying to, touch base with you guys. If I see that you haven't done something, I'll send you a message or send you an email, and for the most part, you guys have been really responsive, which is awesome. But again, just make sure that if you think you're missing something or if you're not really sure what you need to turn in, just make sure that you let me know. Alright, so let's go into Unit 8. We're almost done with Unit 8 here. Let's go into Day 4. Alright, so Day 2 and 3, you were learning about the cell cycle, mitosis, which is the cell growing, it's duplicating its DNA, and the whole point is for the cells to either grow, so if you are growing, you need more cells to cover your body, or if you injure yourself, you fall down, scrape your knee, your body needs to repair those skin cells, and so that's what mitosis is going to do. So for Day 4, you guys are going to be learning about meiosis, which sounds very similar to mitosis, but the difference is this is not your body cells. These are going to be your gametes, which are your sperm and egg cells. And so our bodies are going to produce these cells in order to then get them ready for, making offspring and producing other cells that way. So the meiosis intro is the first thing that you're going to do. Again, you're just going to go in order. And I'm trying to, let you guys know which things you need to submit and turn in. So this one says turn in, so that one you need to make sure you submit back to me. It's just a Google Doc that's going to give you a reading, and then you're going to answer some questions based on what you read. The second thing you're going to do is watch a meiosis video and then answer these focus questions. This you do not have to turn in. I still, urge you to go through and do that because it's literally going to help you focus on what things you need to know in the video for the assignment at the end. For the third thing, I have a mitosis-meiosis video that is comparing them side by side. So not only do they sound very similar and like really close, they both have to do with cell division, and the only thing is like where it happens and the steps that happen in it. So it's really good to kind of like see the two side by side and kind of give you a look at both of them and compare them so you kind of know the difference. And then for the fourth thing, there is a quizzes that's just going to review mitosis and the cell cycle and then review meiosis so that you can ultimately do this assignment at the end, which is graded. Again, there's 2 attempts to this, so if you do the first one, you're not so happy with it, please do the second one. Even if you're pretty confident, go ahead and do the second one. It's there for you, to get a better grade anyway. So that is Day 4.